So we just launched PrepInsta Prime subscription, which is like 150 plus courses under one subscription. So it has courses like C, C++, Java, Python, artificial intelligence, machine learning, cybersecurity, data structures, competitive coding, even company-specific courses like TCS, NQT, Infosys, TCS Digital, Amazon, etc. The link is in the description of the video. Go check that out. I'm sure that you'll love that.
Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to the another video on Accenture recruitment process and syllabus. So in this video, we are going to discuss about all the exam pattern and important topics and what is the syllabus you need to cover to get through the recruitment process of Accenture. So without any further delay, let's get started. So before going to start this, I would like to tell you guys this is a placement season and a lot of companies are hiring. So you need to get the immediate notifications or the updates for you, right? So we'll always suggest people to follow our Instagram handle so that you will definitely get the notifications quickly and you can apply without any fail. And if you want to reach us and to clear your doubts, we have a cool Discord community over 20,000 people, so you can reach us over there and you can clear your doubts and follow us on also Facebook, WhatsApp and Telegram, and all the links for this corresponding social media handles are given in the below of this video. And quickly go to the next slide, and top 3 commenters in the video will get the free subscription of PrepInsta Prime. So try to comment down this video so that we will pick top 3 commenters and we will give the free access to our PrepInsta Prime, and we'll see what are all the things we have consisting of, and around 150 plus courses we have in this, so you will get all for free if you're one of the top 3 commenters. So without any further delay, let's get started with the roles offered by the Accenture. Is nothing but they're offering 2 roles. Those are ASC role and AASC role, which is nothing but Associate Software Engineer, which is having a package of 4.5 LPA, and for the AASC, which is Advanced Associate Software Engineer, they're offering 6.65 LPA. So this is the roles they're offering, and first we'll go through the exam pattern and how they're conducting the rounds and everything we will discuss now. So carefully look into the exam pattern here. So this is a generalized overall exam pattern, but I will explain each and every section or round in detail in the upcoming slides. So just I will overview the exam pattern here in this slide. Just look at here. When coming to the Accenture exam pattern, they are conducting 3 rounds. That is round 1 written test, round 2 is coding test, and round 3 is communication test. So it has again some internal sections. We'll discuss about all these things in the upcoming slides. So generally they are conducting in 3 rounds, right? So in the next slide we'll discuss about each and every round and internal sections, and most important points you need to remember before going to the exam. We will discuss all the things in the upcoming slides. So let's get started with our first category, which is round 1 written test. So if you observe here, round 1 is nothing but cognitive and technical assessment test, which is consisting of 6 sections and 2 sections having 3 subsections. Sorry, 2 sections have 3 subsections, which is nothing but cognitive section will have 3 and technical will have 3. So let's look into the subsections what they're offering for the test, which is nothing but English ability and critical reasoning and problem solving, abstract reasoning, and in the technical section they're asking for common applications on MS Office related questions and pseudocode and network security and cloud. So again, this in detail subsections we will discuss one by one, how many questions they're asking, how much time they're providing for us. So we'll discuss about again subsections in the upcoming slides. So just look into this. So quickly we can go through all the subsections. Let's do it. So if you see in the cognitive section, English ability is the first subsection, right? So which is having the time limit of 17 minutes and 17 questions they are offering, and the difficulty level is moderate. And the topics they are asking in this English ability is nothing but sentence correction, prepositions, grammar, and reading comprehension. On all the list is given below, and I prefer most of the questions they're asking on grammar, reading comprehension, spotting errors, sentence completion, and sentence rearrangement. These topics are little important and they're asking repeated number of questions on these important topics. And if you are already a Prime subscriber, you can easily know how to prepare for this all the things. Why? Because we already have a clearly created verbal course here, and you can go through this verbal course and you can easily prepare for all the important topics for Accenture. And if you see grammar, reading comprehension, sentence completion, and vocabulary, major all the topics we have com- covered in our courses, so that you can prepare from here directly. So whatever the topics they are mentioning will have all related well structured courses. So if you are already a Prime subscriber, you can directly go to the verbal ability course and prepare these topics on a priority base, so that you can easily crack the English ability section. Okay, let's look into the next section they're asking for, which is nothing but critical reasoning ability and problem solving, which is related to logical or reasoning ability actually. So it will consisting of the most important, they're asking questions on blood relations, and you can see arrangement, statement conclusion, coding, decoding, and analogies and inferences, meaning and logical sequence. All these are very important topics, and they are giving 18 minutes of time for this subsection and 18 questions, and the difficulty level is moderate. Again, I will tell you this, if you are our Prime subscriber, just go to reasoning ability section and you can easily go through all the categories whatever Accenture is mentioning. For example, see, this is a logical reasoning, you can go over there and you can prepare quickly, and you don't have to run for everywhere to prepare each and every topic. So we are all created in a structured way. You can prepare whatever the topic Accenture is asking, you can directly come here and you can prepare, right? So this is the two sections they're asking. Just look into the next one, which is a abstract reasoning. Abstract reasoning is actually is nothing but it's a comes under subcategory of visual reasoning. So they're asking visual related questions and flowchart, visual reasoning DA, and directions and seating arrangement. These two are the major important one, which is nothing but flowchart based visual DA and visual reasoning. So again, for this type also we have specific visual reasoning course. You can directly go through this course and you can prepare all the categories like see visual reasoning theory and abstract reasoning and inductive reasoning and visual analogy and spatial embedded figures and diagrammatic reasoning. Everything we have embedded in the visual reasoning course. So you don't have to waste your time what is the type of the questions or whatever we have to prepare like this. You can directly go through the course, and we have already well designed course for each and every company, so you can directly prepare from over there. So this is all for our Prime subscribers only. So if you are not a Prime subscriber, go and get some Prime membership so that you can get all these courses at one cost. And just look into the technical section now. We have already completed cognitive and logical section. So now let's look into the technical section, what they're asking. So in the technical section, they're asking the first subsection is called as common application on MS Office, which is nothing but they want to test your basic computer knowledge skills. For example, how good you are with the computer on shortcuts. For example, how to show the desktop or how to close the windows with only keyboard. Or they'll ask you questions on MS Office, how you will use MS Excel shortcuts, how you will use MS Office shortcuts. These type of questions they'll ask you based on Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and Outlook. And shortcut keys, which are helpful for quick work on the laptop or desktop, and working flow keys. I told you now switching between the keys. Even simply I am doing the switching between the windows right quickly. So these are all type of the questions they will ask you to get into the next tab or quickly switch between the windows, what shortcut you will use. These type of questions they will ask. So they will also ask some questions on command prompt as well. So simply they will giving you 12 questions and the difficulty is moderate. So if you are familiar with the system usage, you can easily go through this section. It's not that much difficult. It's a basics of computer applications. And when coming to the subsection of pseudocode, it bit little above moderate level, which is nothing but students need to know about all the pseudocode question and answers, and they are giving 18 questions and the level is moderate. And pseudocode is nothing but generalized programming language, right? Which is nothing but irrespective of the programming language, they will ask you for the output or expected output, or what is the statement you need to fill to get the desired output, or any errors in the code, or will it run fine, or how many times it will run. These type of pseudocode questions they will ask you, and majorly they will give you the pseudocode under the mnemonics of C, C++, Java, Python, and based on DSA as well. So you need to know about all the pseudocode related structure of these languages and DSA as well. So in order to prepare again all these things, if you are our Prime subscriber, again I am telling you the same. Go through our PrepInsta Prime, and here you can see C, C++, Java and Python, all the courses we have embedded here. And even we have created data structures and DSA courses as well. So you can go through, see DSA for service based companies. So you can go through all these courses and you can complete pseudocode round as well. So all you need to do is go through the corresponding courses and complete them, so that Accenture rounds can be easily cleared. Okay, just look into the next one, that is technical section, third subsection, which is nothing but network security and cloud based questions. So they will given the 10 questions and they're about moderate level, and they're asking for this type of firewalls, network security, and the security devices, encryption related, and basic fundamentals of cloud computing, cloud services platforms, and client server architecture. These are all theory based questions on the network and security clouds. So these are the sections under the round one. So try to prepare from our Prime so that you can easily get to the first round. When I look into the second round, they're asking on coding, right? So the round two is simply they have named as coding round, and they are giving you 45 minutes and they are giving you two questions, and the difficulty level will be moderate to above moderate level. So there you can write the code whatever they are given in the 5 different languages, that is C, C++, Java, Python, and .NET, right? So you can choose any one of the language and you can implement your code, and they are providing you 45 minutes. Again, in order to learn all these things, again I'm telling you this, guys, just give me a moment, I'm clearing the screen for you. So you can directly go through our Prime and you can learn C, C++, Java, Python, and you can easily clear the Accenture round. Why? Because it is moderate to above moderate. So we already designed our courses for the advanced level clearance of the each and every platform. So this will be more easy for you actually. Okay. So this is a round three. When coming to the round three is all about your communication test, which is nothing but how good you are at listening skills and storytelling skills, or how much you are attention to the details of the each and every line they are providing. For example, if you see in the communication assessment test, in the foreign accent, they will give you the storytelling and everything. You need to listen them. Why? Because the clients may be from abroad or other countries, so you need to know their accent as well. Even if you don't talk, it doesn't matter, but you need to have a good listening skills from the clients, right? So you need to listen to them whatever they're asking for. So just look into the speaking skills. They are giving the two questions, and story retelling skills. So you have to listen to the story, and again you have to retelling the story in your own way. And listening and repetitive skills. So they will give you tell you the question, and you need to repeat that. And it's very easy. All about this is only communicative and oral oriented. So reading skills and question and answers and sentence jumbling and building skills. So they're asking two questions, 3 questions, 16 questions, 8 questions, 24 questions, and 19. Sorry, 10 questions. So overall they are giving 20 minutes. So these are all the 3 rounds of Accenture they're asking for. So if you clear these 3 sections, you'll get selected for the next further rounds. So just look into the next important key points you need to remember, that is Accenture is using a CoCubes as a assessment platform. So if you want to prepare through CoCubes also, we have a platform specific courses. If you observe, we have a company specific as well. So you can learn everything, every company here. Or if you want to go for platform specific, see CoCube courses. So we have a CoCube specific dashboard also, so that you can estimate what type of question they will set for the CoCubes. And CoCubes will organize in the Accenture exam pattern, right? So if you go through these courses, they may give the familiar or similar question and answers, so that you can easily attempt the test. And if you able to see, there is a no negative marking, so it's a benefit for us. And it's a non-adaptive, and intersection navigation is allowed, and intersection navigation is allowed. Intersection means you can navigate between the questions itself, as well as intra-section navigation is nothing but you can navigate between the sections as well. For example, cognitive to reasoning, or cognitive into coding, you can navigate, or else you can navigate between the intra sections, which is nothing but between all the sections they have given, you can directly navigate between them. So they will give the total overall time slot for the exam, and you can utilize based on your priority. So this is how they have given the total recruitment process and syllabus we have already covered. So try to learn from our PrepInsta Prime, so that it is a well structured course, so you can easily crack this Accenture uh, recruitment process. And last but not least, again I'm telling you, this is a placement season, so try to go through our all social media handles to get quick notifications of different companies. And if you have a doubts, you need to reach us, you can reach out to the Discord or WhatsApp or Telegram. We're always happy to help you guys to resolve your queries. And last but not least, I would like to tell you this, which is nothing but, for example, see our PrepInsta 2023 Instagram handle. So whenever some company is hiring, we quickly throw the notification, and you can quickly get the important notification of different companies. And recently Amazon is hiring, we posted, and on TCS we are posting, and Infosys is also recruiting, and Capgemini is also recruiting. So we are posting all the quick information in the Instagram handle. So try to follow our Instagram page, so that you will get the quick notifications. And last but not least, top 3 commenters of this video will get PrepInsta Prime for free access. And you guys know what is our PrepInsta Prime. Around 150 plus courses we have embedded in a single platform with a single subscription. You will get all these 150 courses at your hands. And if you see, you can learn popular skills like artificial intelligence, cyber security, ethical hacking, cloud computing, which is also important for our Accenture written test, and C, C++, Java, Python, and data structures in different languages, and aptitude, logical, verbal, and everything you can get. And you can go for service based tracks and product based as well. And if you see company specific courses we have, you have every company specific courses as well, how to prepare for each and every company. And you will have interview preparation courses for each and every company specified, and platform based you can prepare. And if you want to prepare your uh, resume building and everything, we have included everything in a single subscription. So try to grab this opportunity, and all the links is given in the below of this video. Happy preparation, see you soon, bye bye.